Hey there, future millionaires. Ever heard the phrase make your money work for you? That's investing in a nutshell. It's about putting your hard-earned cash to work, generating more money over time, even while you sleep. Think of it like planting a seed that grows into a money tree. Investing isn't just for Wall Street hotshots, it's for everyone. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or a comfortable retirement, investing can help you reach your goals faster. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. The key is to make smart choices with your money. By understanding the basics of investing, you can take control of your financial future and build the life you've always wanted. So buckle up and let's dive into the exciting world of investing. Let's talk about inflation, that sneaky thief that eats away at your savings over time. Simply put, inflation means prices of goods and services go up. What you could buy for $10 last year might cost you $10.50 this year. That's where investing comes in. Investing helps you stay ahead of inflation by growing your money at a rate higher than the inflation rate. If your money isn't growing, it's actually losing value. By investing wisely, you can ensure your purchasing power remains strong and your financial goals stay within reach. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making strategic decisions today to secure your financial well-being for years to come. Who wouldn't want multiple streams of income flowing into their bank account? That's right, investing can help you build wealth beyond your regular job. Imagine earning money from your investments while you earn a salary, run a business, or even relax on a beach. That's the beauty of passive income. Investing in assets like dividend-paying stocks or rental properties can provide you with a steady stream of passive income. This not only boosts your overall earnings, but also provides a safety net in case one income stream dries up. By diversifying your income sources through investing, you create a more resilient financial portfolio that can weather economic storms and pave the way for a brighter future. Section 4. Taking the first step, a beginner's guide to investing. Ready to embark on your investing journey? Great. Let's break down the process into simple steps. First, define your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education? Next, assess your risk tolerance. How much fluctuation in the value of your investments are you comfortable with? Remember, higher potential returns usually come with higher risks. Start small and gradually increase your investments as you gain confidence. Don't feel pressured to invest a large sum right away. Even small, consistent contributions can grow significantly over time, thanks to the power of compounding. Finally, never stop learning. The world of investing is constantly evolving. Stay informed about different investment strategies, market trends, and emerging opportunities. Section 5. Exploring your options, common investment vehicles. There's a whole universe of investment options out there, each with its own risks and potential rewards. Let's explore some common investment vehicles. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of that company. Stock prices can fluctuate significantly, making them a higher risk, potentially higher return investment. Bonds are like loans you give to a government or company. They typically offer lower returns than stocks, but are considered less risky. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They offer instant diversification and are managed by professional fund managers. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are similar to mutual funds but are traded on stock exchanges like individual stocks. They offer diversification and typically have lower fees than actively managed mutual funds. Investing in real estate involves buying, managing, and selling or renting properties. It can provide rental income and potential appreciation in property value over time. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk and potentially maximize returns.